Hey guys and gals, welcome to Tube Theory. In today's video, I will actually go over an official answer from Google support on monetizing AI voiceover videos. This is pretty exciting because there is a ton of speculation out there on this question, and no one seems to be able to show a credible source or official documentation on this. In addition to covering the answer, I'll also provide a few video comparisons on bad AI voiceover and high quality voiceovers, and cover a user who recently got monetized using AI voice in September of 2022. So let's get in. So moving through the policy quickly in the official Google policy regarding YouTube monetization, YouTube doesn't specifically have a rule saying you can't use text-to-speech software in your videos. They also don't state that those videos are subject to demonetization. This means if you use an AI voice on your channel, YouTube will not delete it. Here's examples of what's not allowed to monetize, and this is not an exhaustive list. I won't read from policy word for word, just a summary. Content featuring readings of other materials you did not originally create, songs modified but identical to the original, similar repetitive content or mindless content with low educational value, commentary, or narrative, templated programmatically generated content, image slideshows or scrolling text with minimal or no narrative. So as you can see, YouTube doesn't like what they call repetitive content. For instance, YouTube doesn't want a channel to upload thousands of videos of software, reading thousands of forum posts. That is considered repetitive content and a spam channel, and it won't get monetized. Even if you have a human voiceover for this type of content, it won't get monetized point blank. So you get the gist. I think the AI perception floating around the community is that any AI generated content will be demonetized, even AI voiceovers. However, I believe YouTube is talking about programmatically generated content from AI. Repetitive, mindless content is noted in their policy, not AI voiceovers. If your content is of high quality, there should be no issues being monetized by YouTube using a high quality AI voice. Notice I said high quality AI voice, not the dumpy robotic sounding voice that obviously sounds generated. So let's cover an example of a bad quality AI voiceover. You might get this when you are pursuing YouTube automation and outsourcing content to contractors. They might try to supply you with a terrible robotic voiceover as such.
Since the first Macintosh came out, so many things have changed. We probably wouldn't have guessed that this family of powerful computers could do almost every boring.
Now, here's an example of a high quality voice. To me, this voice sounds pretty natural and real, even reflections in this AI generated voiceover, or as they say, voice artist.
In this video, we will cover 7 of the best turtles that make great pets. Number 1 is the red-eared slider, because the red-eared slider is so popular and they are easy to find and easy to get as pets. These turtles are pretty, social, friendly, and usually busy all day long. They love.
So I think you can tell the difference right now pretty easily between the two. Which one sounds spammy? That horrible robot voice together with the common visuals is probably a red flag to YouTube. And with that last high quality voiceover, I can confirm that a user is using that same AI voiceover for their YouTube channel, and he confirmed he got monetized in September of 2022.
Well, hi, and welcome to my video. I just wanted to show you real quick, I got a lot of questions asking me whether you can monetize text-to-speech videos. So I'd rather show you and do it. So that's what I did. I have a channel where I use text-to-speech, and I use all the tactics I talk about within my course, and I got it monetized. So I'm going to show you the proof that you can, in fact, monetize text-to-speech. I'm going to show you the channel, the case study, and that should be it. And it's recent too. It's not like last year or a couple months ago. It's very recent. So just to show you, this is the email right here. There's no funny business going on. This is my channel, right? And it says, congratulations, your YouTube channel citizen income has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. To get you started, check out the YouTube's creator site so you can stay connected to YouTube team and other creators like you. We also recommend reviewing the YouTube Help Center to learn more about monetizing on YouTube, including what kind of contents you can monetize. And you can read the rest by yourself. All right, but this is just 28 minutes ago. This is very, very fresh. And then this is the channel right here. All right, so you go to the channel. This is the channel that uses text-to-speech, right? Citizen income. And you are now a YouTube partner. And there's several reasons why I did this. Number one is because there's lots of comments saying, yo, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't monetize this, text-to-speech, you can't monetize AI, this. And the thing is, just because they haven't done it or they can't do it, people are going to try to bring you down, and they're called haters, right? So you're just going to have to do your own thing. You're going to have to focus, and you're going to have a lot of people when you start off on your journey. They're not going to believe you. They're going to think you're chasing a wild, like a golden goose, and you're chasing something that's impossible because they themselves can't do it. And that's okay. All you have to do is just, be consistent with your work. Pay attention to all the tips I supply within my course, and just work consistently. All right. So this is what you get when you get monetized right here. It says, congratulations, Citizen Income. You are now a YouTube partner. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTube partner, you can monetize your videos and ads, and YouTube Premium, get support via chat or email, explore other monetization opportunities, and you can just click on Get Started. And then here is the monetization. Okay, so let me go to my dashboard and my content. All right, so right now it's all off, and of course you better believe I'm going to put them all on. All right, and you can go ahead and check out the video. So I'm going to leave a link to this channel. All right, and you can go ahead and spend time if you're interested or not. If you don't really care about this, just skip this video.
Some of you might disagree with this answer, and I'm honestly kind of mad that they sort of danced around my question without providing a concrete 100% answer. They did leave feedback regarding this matter, and to me it wasn't the best. So I reached out through Google Chat to get my question answered. I asked the question, I want to know if using a high-quality AI voiceover can demonetize your video or channel. And they asked for clarification, in which I gave them. The representative helping me, named Candy, which already sounds suspicious to me, took 8 whole minutes to fully respond to my inquiry. She basically said that they are unable to confirm using AI voiceover will demonetize your videos or channel, because that would require editorial advice, which we don't do. Then proceeded to send me the same policy and guideline link that I was already on. So, based on that answer, and based on the one example of a user who has a monetized channel with a high-quality AI voice, this leads me to believe this content is monetizable in all aspects, and will continue to be monetizable for the foreseeable future.
In this video, I am going to be showing you that you can actually get your channel monetized by using text-to-speech on Pick3 AI. Not just any text-to-speech software, because it will not get monetized, but what I recommend you to do is to use Pick3 AI to get your content monetized. As you see, the YouTube Partner Program is not available in my country location, so I'm gonna use a VPN, which I just use now to connect. Now I'm gonna show you what I mean that can get monetized. So if you use Pick3 AI, that's Pick3 AI. If I play the video, that's Pick3 AI.
Celebrity has unquestionably its advantages. Developing skill.
This video is actually monetized, but I basically use it to re-edit everything up. So I basically use this to actually re-edit everything. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So I'm gonna click export, and I re-edit that, and that's Pick3 AI by editing it in another way. For example,
a fun and affordable option to earn additional money or launch a new career is by starting.
So that text-to-speech can actually get monetized. What I'm gonna show you what that cannot get monetized is this kind of text-to-speech.
Company depends on our target.
this text-to-speech cannot monetize your content. So I don't recommend you using this text-to-speech software.
Local clients, for instance, contacts.
So don't use a text-to-speech software because it will not get your content monetized. So if you don't know what I'm saying, allow me to demonstrate to you what I'm showing you. I'm going to show you a content that actually monetized on YouTube, directly on YouTube, that actually uses text-to-speech and have actually 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to switch to YouTube now.
Enables you to invest small amounts with Trading 212 in even the largest price
As you see, this content is monetized on YouTube.
shares.
Now I'm going to skip the ad to show you what I'm saying.
Let's go straight to the Trading 212.
Development and financial security. We will focus on 10 important and useful skills that
If you don't know what this person uses to actually do their videos, they basically use Pictory AI. With Pictory AI, you can actually get it monetized, especially with the text-to-speech software that allowed on it. So that's what the guy used to monetize his channel.
you can use to your advantage in
If you don't know, this is his actual channel. This channel is monetized on YouTube. And he actually make a video about it, which I have showed you about it.